Today we are going to see about a new competition, the Gate Design Contest for Sports Authority of India. So the Sports Authority of India SAI under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports envisages to broad base and brings excellence in sports across the country. So SAI has 12 regional centers, 23 national centers of excellence, over 65 state level Kalo India centers, etc., and has a mandate to create an enabling sports system to achieve excellence in sports. So the SAI Sports Authority of India hereby invites creative designers, artists and innovators to participate in the Sports Authority of India Gate Design Competition for designing of the entrance gate of SAI's fields unit across the country. So it is just like you have to design the gate design for every entrance of the field units across the country. SAI's every entrance field units across the country. So the winning entry will be awarded a cash prize of 40,000 rupees. So a cash prize of 40,000 rupees. The last date for the submission of entries is 9th November 2020 till 5 p.m. So for further details you can visit this website sportsauthority-of-india.nic.in. For if to contact any queries you can mail in this mail ID. So let us see about the terms and conditions for this gate design competition. The Gate Design Competition for Sports Authority of India. The terms and conditions. Let us see the terms and conditions. Each entry should be accompanied by a brief explanation of the design and how best it encapsulates its essence. So you have to write a brief accompanying explanation of the design. What is the main thing it envisages, encapsulates. So all the entries must be submitted in the creative corner of the My Government blog. All the entries must be submitted in the My Government section. You know that the description, I will give the link in the description. An entry could be an Indian citizen or team project. You can do it as an individual Indian citizens or as a team project. So each participant or team can submit only one entry, and the submission fees entry is free. So there is no submission fee. So you have to follow the Copyright Act, Indian Copyright Act, and the Sports Authority is not responsible for any of the copyright issues, and the plagiarism is not accepted. If you found plagiarism, you will be infringed. If you found infringed on plagiarism, you will be disqualified from the contest. So your name, everything, you should protect your name and your details. So the participants should give their name, latest photo, country declaration, complete postal address, email ID and phone number, etc. Entries with incomplete profiles would not be considered. So the names, latest photo. So all these things you have to mention in the comment section, which you will see in the competitions page. Entries will properly of Sports Authority of India and may use any entries is when required. So the Sports Authority of India holds the copyrights of every entries. Sports Authority of India or My Government takes no responsibility for corrupted or late entries. So next, the winner will be declared within. They will be emailed under his or her name, announcing his or her name in the My Government blog page, and the winning design entry. They are saying about the winning design entry, the prizes, what are the prizes, what are the methods will be, in what methods they will give the prizes for the winner. So there will be no notification to participants of rejected entries. In case of any issues, only English version shall be allowed. So let us see about the technical criteria. Design should be submitted in JPEG, PNG or PDF format only. Design should be in color. Design in color. The design shall be overloaded with CYMG and RGB formats. You know that the design should be usable on websites such as social media, Twitter, Facebook. So it should be digitalized. It should also usable in the digital platforms, and you should submit in only these three: JPEG, PNG or PDF format only. So all fonts file should be high resolution, at least 300 pixels per inch, 100% size. It should also look clear when viewed at 100% Clarity. Entry should not be submitted in compressed or self-extracting formats. It should be simple, which means it should not extract. If it extracts, then you should reduce the extracting file. The decision should not be imprinted or watermarked. There should be no markings about your name, your anything. You should give your details not in the entry, but you have to give your details in the comment section. You can see in the competitions page. So don't write anything or don't just type anything on the design, your design. So let us see about the selection process. So the selection committee will decide the selection process based on these 5: creativity, simplicity, technical excellence, artistic merit, and visual impact. Based on these 5 criteria, the selection committee will select. There will be only one winner of the competition. So you know that winner shall be required to provide the original open source file of the design, which shall be the property of SAI. So Sports Authority of India, if you so decides, reserves the right to proceed with the competition at any stage. Payment to the winner will be will be contacting the winner. So they will be contacting the winner, and they will they will give the payment through the electronic mode, maybe through bank details. So let us see about how to participate in the competition. Here friends, you see here a button login to participate. Once you open this GATE design contest for Sports Authority of India, you will see here the login to participate. Click that login to participate. You have to choose your Google account. If you are not registered, go here. So you can see here register button. Go here, register. If you registered, you can directly log in to participate. Friends, you can see that I have logged in. After you have logged in, you can see here a orange box appears like do this task now. If you click that, you will be receiving a notification. You can see here the notification. You have successfully accepted the task GATE design contest for Sports Authority of India. We have successfully accepted the task. Once you have accepted, you will see here the green box do, and you will see your submissions here. You can submit only one entry, so you will see your submission. If you have to submit your task, you can click here. So here is the comment section which I told. You can see, because you have to submit your entry here as an add image, which means JPG or PNG. If you have PDF, you can also submit in PDF. Here you can write about your name. First you can write your details first, and if you once you have given your details, you can tell about your entry. What is capital letters, about your entry, what it does tell, and you can write in 500 words is permitted, so you can write up to that. Don't exceed the number, and the last date is November 9 till 5 PM, and the prize money is 40,000 rupees. So note these 2 points, and there are many competitions too, which will be uploaded in the next video. You will see in the next video. So friends, participate in this exciting competition. Share this video with your friends, so your friends may find it very informational, very useful video. So keep following our channel to know more competitions like this. So subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts regarding this competition or any other competition, whether it's a national or international competitions, you have about how to enter the competition, how to submit your entry, everything online competitions, you can ask the doubts here in our comment section. It's open for you and you can ask it. So thank you friends. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.